Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Fast RCS, a free online tool I made to create and view road cross sections in 3D quickly. Alright, let's dive in. Just go to the Fast RCS website. You will see this preloaded sample if it's your first time here. Hit M key or double click your mouse to bring up the side panel. You can load other samples from this drop-down box, or go to the examples sheet, copy and paste over. The basic navigation as shown in this tooltip section is use your left mouse drag to rotate, middle mouse drag or simply scroll to zoom in, zoom out, right mouse drag to pan the camera. Just like any other games, you can use WASD keys to move around. Use W key to move forward, A key to move left, D key to move right, S key to move backward. You can also use 4 arrow keys up, down, left, right to rotate your view as well. Hit the spacebar to toggle the movement of vehicles and pets. Hit the T key to toggle the display of the tooltip section. Go to the menu settings. Lower the shadow range to turn off the shadows. You can also turn on the auto pan. After you made all the changes, you can also hit default value to go back to the factory settings. Alright, let's build one from scratch. Delete everything. Let's build a simple 2-lane section. Type O, V for vehicle lanes, O for others. Hit create. I don't like the width of this shoulder. Let's change to 1 meter. Alright, let's add a grass. Move them down. Change this to G. Again, for these types, please refer to the examples documentation sheet. Let's give them 2 meters. Okay, next we need some pin markings. The markings, let's put L stands for line. That's S for solid, for Y for yellow, and let's put the X negative 1.74. This stands for, because the default the width is 12 feet, about 3.6 meters. What this stands for, just for this section, I put the yellow solid line relative to the center at 1.74 meters. Let's copy it to the other section. And we need to reverse it, basically. Yes. Let's add some vehicles. V1, V2. Alright. I don't feel this is safe. Let's add a medium section with radius medium. Let's copy this down. See, this is other. Let's delete assets, markings. But Raise the height 0.8 meters. I don't like the width, it's too wide. Let's change to 1 meters. Here we go. We have a raised, median, simple two-lane section. To recap, I started Fast RCS as a personal side project. After receiving many positive feedbacks, I plan to gradually add more features with a clear roadmap planned. Hopefully, Fast RCS can create a more engaging experience for your clients and boost your efficiency. At last, you are welcome to browse some of my other apps on my personal website and add me on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.